Hey everyone, my name is Taylor Pasivio, and this is my Enhancement 2 project for CIT 336. So real quick, I just kind of wanted to show you guys my enhancement project. I'm going to go ahead and start with the connections file and the 500 PHP error file. So as you see right here, I have my connections file. It's inside the library, inside of my Acme file. Here we have the entire code for with the try catch if something goes wrong to make sure that it goes to the right PHP file, that 500 there. So just to show you guys that it does work and show that it's a white page, let's go ahead and pull this up. As you can see, just loads that white page there. And then let me go ahead and break this. Save that and run it again. And voila, sorry, there we go. Let me do the full screen. There we go. So as you can see, comes up with that server error, everything that that I'm wanting it to do. So there's that. Let's make sure we fix this before I submit though. There we go. And now on to the SQL. So I have all my enhancements right here in the SQL file under Acme. Enhancement 2 text, here are all my answers. And then on the right, we can see here that we have the database. I already have pulled up the clients table, and as you can see, it is completely empty. And so the first thing that we need to do is add Tony Stark to our table. So let me go ahead and paste in my select statement here. So I have it as an insert into the clients table, and then all of the different client columns, and then of course the values, all of Tony Stark's information. So let's go ahead and click this. There we go, one row inserted, and let's go back to the clients table. And voila, we have Tony Stark right there. So as you can see, his client level is 1, and the next thing that we want to do is we want to go ahead and switch that over so that he's a client level 3. So let's go ahead and do this. If I had it as an update where it sets the client level to 3, and I have it where client level equals 1. Obviously, if I had more people in that server or in that database in that table, I would want to change this probably to like client ID or something like that. But for right now, this serves our purposes just fine. Let's go ahead and upload that. There we go, one row affected, and back to the clients table. Let's scroll on over. There we go, got updated to a level 3. So next is a little bit more complex, but what we're wanting to do is we're going to replace some information that's already in a table. So scroll down to number 15 here. It says nylon rope and nylon rope. So we're wanting to switch these both out with, instead, we're wanting it to be climbing rope. And one is going to be capital and one is going to be lowercase. And we want to do it all in one SQL function. So if we go back to SQL and put in the code here. So I had it as an update where it updates the inventory and sets the inventory name and the inventory description. So for the inventory name, it's replacing it with capital nylon rope with capital climbing rope, and then the inventory description is lowercase nylon rope with a lowercase climbing rope. And then I went ahead and just did a where for the invoice ID of 15 because that's what the nylon rope is. And as you can see, once we get this taken care of, that 15, voila, updated to climbing rope and climbing rope, both in the right capitalizations. So next we're going to do a join, just a select statement here, just to look and pull some information from our tables. So we're going to do it from the inventory table, and then we're going to join it with the categories table. Inventory is labeled as I so that it matches with this inventory name, and then categories of C so that these match together, and then they'll both link together on the column that they have in common, which is the category ID. And then we are looking for category names of miscellaneous. So this should pop up 7 different results here. So let's go ahead and double check that. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. That's just what we're looking for. We got the inventory name, category name, everyone's miscellaneous. And the last thing that we're going to do here is actually on that last statement, there was one of the, I'll actually just show you guys real quick. So number 7, I don't even know how to say that, but the car, essentially they want to delete, we want to delete that out of the database. So I'll use this delete statement that I have right here. Paste that in and go. Yes, I want to delete it. It says it affected 1 row, and so let's go take a look. And there it is, number 7. It is gone. So there's my SQL statements. I showed you guys the error file, the the 500 PHP. So that's my Enhancement 2 project. If you guys happen to have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email or put something in the discussion board. But that's all I got for now. Thank you so much for watching.